Okay, yeah. In this lesson today, we want to be able to identify the height of a triangle and the base of a triangle so that it will help us to be able to calculate the area of a triangle. So how do you know if the line of a triangle is really the base or the height? Now, the base is usually at the bottom of the triangle, or sometimes it is labeled as a B, sometimes labeled as a B. Now we need to identify the height because sometimes the triangle could be in any shape. It could be like this, it could also be sent like this or like so. So it could be drawn in any shape. So we need to be able to identify the height so that no matter how the shape of the triangle appears, we will be able to identify it. Okay, so how do we know the height? Good. Number one way we can know the height is that the height of a triangle must go straight up and down. It must go straight up and down or straight sideways so that it makes an L shape up and down. L shape from the top to the bottom, that's the base, and an L shape. And then you see them sometimes it's sitting with a right angle. Many of the times you see that a right angle is attached to the base. So that is one way. Number two way to know the height of a triangle. A line must start at the corner. The corner is either this corner or this corner or this corner. It must start at the corner of the triangle that is opposite the base. So you look for the base. If they decide that this is the base, then it has to start from this corner to the base. If the diagram decides that this is the base, then it has to start from this corner to the base. So whichever way it is, it must start from the corner at the top to the base straight down, and it must also have the right angle sign. Number three way is this. Sometimes if the triangle is leaning, let's say it's turned this way, it's leaned this way, the line might land at the base itself, or the line you'd get if you stretch the base out. Let's say something like this. You have this as the base, or perhaps you are given another triangle. Okay, they stretched out, is stretched out, and they are giving this as a base. Okay,